Hello friends, I am Ahmed and you are watching my channel Korean Pen. So I am going to start today a new series which is Korean grammar. So you can start learning Korean grammar with easy English. And this book you can download from the link in description below. And after downloading this book you can start learning Korean language with easy English. So today is our first chapter and our first chapter is Ida. Ida is attached with noun like this is chair, this is computer, that is car, he is Korean, like this. There are two ways to make this sentence. One is EPS and EPS and the other method is ibnica and ib니다. In this video we are going to learn the both methods ibnica-ib니다 and EPS. So look at the picture number 1. Moth is what? Ibnica. This is used for asking questions. Moth ibnica. What is this? The other method yeyo. Yeyo is the same meaning. What is this? But you must know what you have to put. EPS or EPS. If your word have vowel at the end, you must put EPS. If consonant, then EPS. The answer is ib니다. Ib니다 is chair. Ib니다, this is. So this is chair. EPS, this is chair. Picture number 2. Hanguk saram ibnica. Hanguk is Korea. Saram is person. Ibnica for asking question. She is Korean. Hanguk saram ibnica. The other format is Hanguk saram EPS. Now here you can see the last word is miem and miem is consonant. So definitely you put EPS. If your word have vowel at the end, then EPS. Now the answer ne. Hanguk saram ib니다. Hanguk Korean, saram person, ib니다 is. So she is Korean. Hanguk saram ib니다. Other format Hanguk saram EPS. Picture number 3. Odi ibnica. Odi is where, ibnica asking question. Where is this? So odi EPS. Where this place? Hanguk ib니다. Hanguk is Korea. Ib니다, this is Korea. Hanguk EPS. The same meaning. This is Korea. So let's find out the detail about Ida. So Ida you have two formats. One is EPS and other is ibnica and ib니다. So you must attach these things with your noun. And ib니다 is for answer and for question is ibnica. And the other format is EPS and EPS. And you, if you have a question, then you just put a question mark at the end, but nothing different. Okay, the one thing you have to notice, if your word have consonant at the end, you must put EPS. If vowel at the end, then EPS. Now we have some practice with our different styles. Informal polite style is EPS and EPS, and formal polite style is ibnida, ibnica. So I want to tell you something more. Informal polite style like EPS and EPS is mostly used in our daily routine life. And formal polite style like ibnica, ibnida, samnida, this format is mostly used in news, newspaper, books, literature and magazines. So we have some practice. If your final word is vowel, then you put EPS. Sagwa EPS. This is apple. Nabi. Nabi is butterfly. Nabi EPS. And you can see the last letter of your word is vowel. Okay. Now omoni. Omoni have definitely vowel at the end. Then EPS. She is mother. Now we have some words with final consonant sounds. Checksang is table. Checksang EPS. Yonpil is pencil. Yonpil EAO. Hakseng. Hakseng is student. Hakseng EAO. Now in imnida format, you have to put just imnida at the end. You don't need anything watching the vowel at the end and consonant at the end. There is no need. Okay. Sagwa imnida. Nabi imnida. Omoni imnida. Cheksang imnida. Yonpil imnida. Hakseng imnida. Now there are some sentences. Mot imnika. What is this? And in the answer you definitely put imnida. Khabang imnida. Khabang is bag. Imnida, this is. Hakseng imnika. Are you a student? Ne. Hakseng imnida. Yes, I am student. Nugu is who. Nugu yeyo. Who is that? Chingu yeyo. Chingu is friend. This is my friend. Kohyang e. Kohyang is your hometown. Odi, where? Yeyo is. Where is your hometown? Seoul yeyo. Seoul yeyo. Seoul is my hometown. So there is some practice and I'm using both methods. Okay. Shige is clock. Shige imnika. Ne. Shige imnida. Yes, this is clock. Shige yeyo. Ne. Shige yeyo. Number 2. Mot imnika. What is this? Moja imnida. This is cap. Mo yeyo. Moja yeyo. Number 3. Khasu imnika. This, he is singer. Ne. Khasu imnida. Yes, he is singer. Khasu yeyo. Ne. Khasu yeyo. Nugu imnika. Who is she? Sonsengnim imnida. She is teacher. Nugu yeyo. Sonsengnim EAO. So this is our first class and you learn EAO, yeyo format and imnida, imnika format. Kindly subscribe my channel for more videos, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching my video.